Hi guys, tonight we are going to be looking at how to find the missing side of the rectangle when you've been given the measurement of one side and the total area. And you've practiced this just a little bit with me. I gave some of you challenge problems last week in class, so you've seen this already, and hopefully this is a little bit of a review instead of completely new material. So you know what I'm going to do first. Let's just review. Area is the measurement of the space inside the shape, all of the surface inside. And we find that by doing multiplication. And perimeter is the measurement of the distance around the shape. Remember the outside rim. And we do that by adding all four sides. All right, so let's take a look at some sample problems. So here we have our rectangle. And I've told you that the length is 9 feet, but I haven't given you the width. What I have told you is that the total area is 36 feet squared. So to tackle this problem, I want you to start by, first of all, please write this sample problem in your notes with the picture exactly as I've done it. And then I want you to start by writing out the area equals length times width, the formula for area, because that's a good place to start. So go ahead and pause me and write this information down. Okay, now that you've done that, we are going to substitute the numbers that we know in our formula, and that's going to help us figure out this missing side over here. So I know that area is 36 feet, so I'm going to substitute the A with 36. And I know that the length is 9, so I'm going to substitute the L with a 9. And I'm going to leave my variable as W because that is the unknown information that I'm trying to solve. So what I have now is 36 equals 9 times some number. And you should know, because you know your multiplication facts pretty easily, that 36 is 9 times 4. So in this case, my width would be 4 feet. All right, let's take a look at another one. So here we have, sorry, I made a little mistake there that I had to change. So here we have total area is 40 feet squared. I've told you that the width is 5 feet, and you are solving for the length. So again, we're going to start with our formula, area equals length times width. I'm going to substitute in the information that I know. So I know that area is 40. And I don't know length, so I'm going to leave my variable as L. And I know width. Width is 5 feet. So what I have now is 40 equals some number times 5. And again, because you know your multiplication facts, you know that length is 8 feet. Okay, let's look at one more. Here I've got another rectangle. I've told you that area equals 24 feet squared. I've told you that length is 6 feet, and we're solving for width. So again, we're going to start with our formula and substitute what we know. So 24 equals 6 times some number. So 24 equals 6 times some number. And again, because you know your multiplication facts, you know that 6 times 4 is 24. So my width has to be 4 feet. Pretty easy, right? Tomorrow we're going to look at finding the missing side when perimeter is given, which is a little bit trickier, but still very doable.